Hello everyone. Today I will make you a small tutorial how to set up and install your image. First things, you will need to download the image on Arcade Punks. So you will find the link on the description on my video and also in this video you are listening now. So you just go to Arcade Punks and you download it. It will be 222 gigabytes. And you get the torrents here. You will have some information here and how to install and few things. But when you get the download done, you should have like a folder after you extract everything. Look something like this. You will get Arcade Lightgun, and inside you will get tools, system ROMs, LaunchBox, and emulator. And you will get also few files here. You have a readme file install, so actually you can read it now if you want, but this is what you will need to do, and just read this very carefully because you get all the instructions, but I will show you and we will go step by step all together. So yeah, just read this please. This is pretty important. You will get also some image to show your center screen if you want. Few things. So now you need to install. You need first a drive with the letter D. So make a drive, another drive with the letter D. Inside this drive, you will make a folder called Arcade Lightgun. Inside this folder, you will have the same structures as what you have downloaded, okay? But first, before to put this everything inside, you just create this folder LaunchBox. And now you go to launchboxapp.com and you download your LaunchBox and you install your LaunchBox, because I didn't provide you the LaunchBox. You need to install this first. So you install inside Arcade Lightgun LaunchBox. So after the installation, it should look something like this. Do not run LaunchBox yet. Now go inside your zip or what you have extract from my folders and just take this and you just copy everything inside Arcade Lightgun. And all my settings of LaunchBox will be override inside yours, but not the application, because I didn't provide you these folders here. Okay? So just do this, and then you will be able to launch LaunchBox. So if you have done everything, you have copied everything, you normally should be able to launch your LaunchBox. So it will take few seconds actually to launch, and then you will be able to see all the games, everything. It doesn't mean that all the games will work. You will need to set up few things with your Lightgun and to say your Lightgun ID in some emulator like MAME and Technopirate. Inside the README text, you have actually you have here a YouTube channel to set up your MAME ID. I also make a tutorial if you want to look my video, but also this one is pretty deep and very well explained, so just check his video. So he will show you how to configure your MAME gun to get always the idea running on the correct game. So just follow his tutorial. Then, second things you need to do after MAME is done, you will go back to your emulator, and here you will have few Technopirates. actually you have different technopirates because few games need different settings and different reshades effects. So to know what's actually it's running on emulator, if you go inside, when you go to game profile inside each emulator, you will see which one I use, and all the other game I don't use, they are here inside the not use one. So when you open your technopirate, let's open the 985 Lightgun. You see, you will have only Alien Extermination because this is this game's running on this emulator perfectly. The other ones I got issue. Maybe you will not have issue. You can try. But if you need to set up your gun, you just go to controller setups. And now you will put your border and you will apply all the buttons, all the things you need for your light gun. And you need to select also here which device you're selecting for the light gun. So don't forget to put Sinden Lightgun. Is it black, red, or blue? I don't know. You select your model. Then you make save settings. And normally the game is run. Be sure to check because when I update, actually, I did change an update on this one, on the 12.07. And few games I forget inside LaunchBox to point this emulator. So just be sure. For example, I remember Armageddon. I think I forget to put it, so it didn't launch. Actually, you got an error. So just be sure that inside the you right click, edit metadata. You go inside and you go to launching, and you just check that it's going on the light gun, this one, game profile, going to the proper game, and also inside the emulation, just be sure that it's this one. For all the game that is listing here, because the 12.07 update 2 light gun running all these games. Okay, if you go for the 12.07 ELF Reshade Update 2 Light Gun, this one running only Armageddon and Jurassic Park. This one is Target Terror Gold. This one is Police Trainer. This one, which one is it? It's Let's Go Island. Or Let's Go Jungle. I don't. Yeah, Let's Go Jungle. So yeah. Just be sure and check this. You can also try to run the games outside LaunchBox first. For example, some people told me the PlayStation 3 emulator. PlayStation 3 is very demanding of computering. So you need a very good computer to be able to play PlayStation 3. And PlayStation 3 also, you will need to go inside and set up your light gun. I guess. I'm not sure on this one, but for sure on MAME and on the Technopirate, you will need to select your light gun. And if it's not running properly, you need to run the emulator by itself and just try to run the game and see if it's working. Because I see many people have Windows 11 and they can run games that I have issue to run because I'm on Windows 10, and somebody have issue to run some games on 11. We don't have issue on Windows 10. It's like you have to try. It's a try and error actually. So yeah, just do this, and actually it should work properly. I won't do a tutorial on each emulator. You can actually look on the internet and see what you got. And yeah, so I hope this is helpful for you. Just be sure that your letter of the drive is D, and if it's not, just change the letter. And yeah, this is the structure. You see emulator, they are all here. LaunchBox, you got your LaunchBox. This is I think you don't have Sinden profile, I just add this, but it was for testing. And here you have the games. Yeah. So if you have a few questions, write me a message and I will try to respond. See you later, guys, and take care. Enjoy gaming. Bye.